Exploring shortcut keys. 1. AI key. A single click launches the Otek AI software instantly, giving you access to advanced features. Long press the AI key to speak your command.
Give me a Python code for identifying the numbers which are in loop.
Release it, and watch as your spoken words are typed and executed seamlessly. 2. OCR Screenshot Button. Capture screenshots with a single click. Extract text from images or documents and translate Chinese text into English instantly. 3. Voice Command Button. Hands-free voice commands in multiple languages.
Give me a PPT presentation on business analytics.
Adjust the language settings in the voice typing interface for optimal performance. 4. Translation Button. Translate text in real time.
ताजमहल का इतिहास.
Customize input and output languages in the translation section of the settings. Use sliding word translation to select and translate words from any document effortlessly.